Guys, welcome back to the BB channel.
So today we're gonna make some slime. So we're gonna add some eyeshadow to the slime. You have noticed I already used it. So we're gonna get to the video. So here is our container. My container, we did slime already with them here.
Okay, let me add some of this glue. Let me add some of my. Oh my god, it already came out. Hold up, let me do it better up here. Like I only have
there's
this.
no more.
We have this much glue.
Yeah, no.
Look, the other is. If you guys do not understand what Carla just said,
I
yeah,
said
I know
there's
why.
no more.
There's no more. No que no había. Mentirosa. If you guys do not know what I just said, what a liar.
It's already.
Okay, there. That's mine, okay? So,
Ready?
hands off. A little bit more. Oh. Let me add a little bit more tile in here. She's gonna get back.
So,
oh, hold up. Sorry, guys. So we are going to be adding tile. We have like a little cup right there.
no, but first we're gonna add the glitter and then the tile.
Yeah, but let me fill up the cup with tile.
Yeah, just let it. That's good.
Because we don't really use that much.
Yeah. So we're gonna. So I already used it before. So I'm gonna use this one. Hold up.
The blue one. Hold up.
This one.
That one right there.
This one.
And then I am going to be using that one.
This one here. So
You add your fork.
where's my fork? So we're gonna.
It's just flying. So if we did not make a. Oh my god! I don't know why everything keeps falling. We did not post a video of the sign that we just made. I know we're weird. I don't know why we have it in this container. I want to add mine.
Alright, ready?
Hold up.
Go.
Let me just add it with you. No lo metas. Carla, if I just. Never mind. Hold on.
No, I hadn't even done it. I'm just touching the glitter with it.
I'm just gonna look for my this slime. Like pinkish.
Así no se agarra. Así no se agarra, mensa. Sí. Stupid.
I'm gonna do it this way.
That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. I'm gonna make more. Right, that's good. Don't add everything.
Ooh, bro, that's barely even some.
You dropped it all over you, that's why. Alright, so I'm gonna mix it now. So this is how much I have. That's how much she has. So let's get it mixed.
Oh my god, I almost dropped it on me.
Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's because you keep getting bright colors.
And you keep on getting dark colors. I don't like dark colors, I like bright colors.
Oh, it's like cookie and Oreo.
Cookie and Oreo, yeah.
That's what I'm gonna name it, you guys. It was
No,
still
Oreo.
Oreo, yeah.
Oreo slime. Oh! Looks like Oreo. Hey, you remember when... Oh, wait, sorry, guys. This is a different... Remember when we went to the... Oh, you didn't went.
What happened?
We went to a rancho, and then there was a cow that was, like, black and white. They had spots, and we called him Oreo. Oscar went too. I went... So we mixed it up. Add some Tide and we add some me. Hold up. You're not adding for me because I didn't add for you.
I added my Tide. You guys can barely see it. Oh, hold up. Because it's not blue, you guys. You guys think it's blue. It's not blue. It's clear.
So this is mine.
So if you guys hear
Mine is blue.
If you guys hear boys and they're the ones that are outside right over there.
Like in this
There's
window.
my cousin Charlie, her brother, a boy named Danny, and then my cousin's friend, Christopher.
Not Christopher, it's Chris. But we call him Christopher because it's a short name. Like or something they call him Christian. Because I get mad at him. Like, Christian!
You call him Christian?
Sometimes.
I have a cousin named Christian.
Me too.
But you wanna know something? Hold up, you guys can't hear. It's just great. Oh. Kevin and Anthony, no.
Ah.
For reals, I wanna play. Oh, you told me.
Okay, so we keep on mixing it. It's kind of, this is getting harder to mix, but it's not ready yet.
Okay, I need more Tide. Look, this is the color of the Tide. Let me just.
Ay, me picó. Mírala, okay. These kids don't shh. Man, they gotta be quiet. They don't shh. People, look at. Oh my goodness.
Carla!
Oh, me bad.
I'm wearing a dress. This is my mom's sweater, not mine.
I want to take a shower.
This is my cousin's.
It's hot.
This is not nobody use it.
Yeah, it is. It's a wig. Don't you know I have cancer?
No, you don't.
No, but it's stuck on, you guys. You guys want to donate some money? No, I have cancer.
Don't. Oh my goodness, Mia.
I'm joking. I don't. Why would I?
If she did, she'll tell you guys already.
Yep. I know. Look at my hair. It's messy. Like the other videos that me and Brandon make. Yeah, and Brandon posts videos of us playing outside.
He did?
Like our friends. Which is like, you know, guys, which is more fast.
Can you guys open the door? You heard him? And the people outside are like, can you guys open the door?
Oh, I thought that was someone else. Bro, they play Nerf guns?
Hector and me played that one time. And it hurt really bad. It kept on shooting my ear.
Like, probably because I put too much Tide.
Me, no. Mine's sticky.
Oh, no, probably it's also because of the Tide that I already have there.
Oh, yeah. I took all the Tide with my slime. That's why my slime will get like a little bit hard. See that?
What the heck, Carla?
I can see that like. So this is a slime.
Duck.
I bet you, what's his name? Brian. I mean, Brandon, does crazier things to me right now.
And who?
Than me.
Hi.
Like, does he play more around than me?
Well, Brandon.
Your brother!
Well, yeah, he's smaller, Carla.
So you guys, like, you know?
You guys are supposed to know who Brandon is, of course. If you guys do not know what BB is for, it's B for Brandon and B for piano, so that's what we call the BB. And I know you guys saw my other brothers on other videos.
We're gonna mix this together. Ready?
No, first let's show them.
Yeah, so.
Okay, hold up. There's that in it. So this is my slime. Touch it, you guys. Touch it.
Touch it.
Hold up.
Touch
It's
it.
blurry.
This is my slime. Move it. Move it. Move it. Scares me. Mine's blue.
Okay, there. Come on, let's mix
Okay.
it.
Ready?
We're gonna throw it at the same time in the middle. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we missed. Ready?
1,
1,
2.
2, 3.
It wouldn't have landed there still.
1,
1, 2,
2, 3. Yours fit inside the bowl.
Okay, let's just mix it. Get a piece. Get a
No,
piece.
no.
Cut it in half.
So we're gonna do two pieces, and
Give me one.
You're gonna throw one inside.
Give me one.
Ready? Set and go. We're gonna make it. Oh, ready and go. Ready and go. Oh. Whew. Now mix that one.
Now I'm gonna mix the next one.
Ready?
Set.
And go. Oh. Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it because you mixed it. What are you seeing me? It looks like if it's a baby shower, like pink and bold.
Oh yeah,
Like,
baby
like
shower.
If you guys do not know what a baby shower is,
You guys are dumb.
what's it called? It is when a
Baby
lady's
shower is when a kid is
Up
in
to the
somebody's
bro.
is somebody
tummy.
in a girl's tummy. That means pregnant, and they make like a holiday baby shower for like the baby. Oh my goodness, that's so much time.
Do you know who Jeremy is?
No. On the top of my head.
You don't.
So we're gonna mix this one. Hold on.
I know mostly the whole school. That's how I know.
This one. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
I mixed this one because you mixed the other one. No. It's so big and clicky today. On the top of my
Okay, so I think that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to show you.
So we're gonna give shout outs. No shout outs?
Not today.
Yes. Can I give a shout out?
Go ahead.
We're gonna give a shout out to should I say the name of my cousin? I'm gonna give a shout out to the Ace family, okay? Giving a person from YouTube, giving a person from
You guys do not know.
no,
who
giving
it
a
is.
shout out to what's her name? The little baby?
Oh,
No, Lauta.
Alea.
Give a shout out to Alea from the Ace family, okay? Because she's so cute. So, bye guys.
No.